I'm tired of looking at this dingy off-white color light that is different than all the other lights in the car, so today I'm going to upgrade these to LED. This whole light assembly is held in at 4 points. Alright, that one's not working. Let's try this wide one. Oh, that works nice. And then it folds down. That makes it easy. There's a weird little imperfection on this lens. I'm going to take this time to clean that off. Oh, the light's auto-timed out. This lens doesn't come off very often, so clean this up if you need to. Now it's the time to put on gloves. Be careful with these bulbs. They're going to be hot if they've been on. Oh, that's an old style bulb. The LEDs I'm using to replace the bulbs are a little bit different, but they still fit, they still work. I'm going to install these because I already have them, but I'll link to the right bulbs for the car in the description. Here's the other one. I've tested them both out, they both work. Start by putting the front side in. Make sure those two hook tabs are in the right position. Fold it up and in. Push it into place. Test the lights out again. They work. Alright, all done. Those look so much better than the factory bulbs. I'll put links in the description so you know where to find all the tools that I used and the bulbs for this car. And as with any LED, put it in there, try it out. If it doesn't illuminate, flip it around and try it again. This job's all done and it looks great. I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video. Thanks for watching.